Good morning, children. So let us continue with the chapter 5. We are now in question 11. Simplify. Number 1, we have to simplify this. Cos 90 plus theta, sec into sec 270 plus theta, sine 180 minus theta, cosec minus theta into cos 270 minus theta into sine 180 plus theta. So here it is cos 90 plus theta, that means 1 into 90. 1 is odd, so it becomes sine, and this lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, so minus sine theta. Okay, sec 270, so this can be written 3 into 90 plus theta. This can be written 2 into 90 in minus theta, and down we can write 3 into 90 minus theta, and this 2 into 90 plus theta, and this cosec minus theta minus comes out. Okay, and rest you know, simplify and you will get your answer. Solve for theta, where theta can be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2 pi. That means 0 to 360. So here cos theta minus sine theta equal to 0. So we'll write sine theta equal to cos theta. Okay, and then we can write sine theta upon cos theta. That means tan theta equal to 1. And we know here here it says that theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so that means we will get two values for theta. Okay, and here theta is positive, so that means tan theta is positive. That means this angle is in first quadrant and in the third quadrant, because tan is positive in first and third. So we will get two values for theta, and one from first and one from the first quadrant and one from the third quadrant. So tan theta equal to 1, that means tan theta equal to 10 pi by 4. Okay, that means tan 45 degree. Next, using this value only, okay, we will find the angle in third quadrant. Okay, so tan theta equal to, in third quadrant we want, okay, so we can write tan theta equal to tan 2 into 90 plus 40. Okay, this same tan 45 can be written in this manner. Okay, because 2 is even, so tan will remain tan. Okay, and in third tan is positive, so it's positive, so this tan 45, same thing, this. Okay, this tan 45 can be written this. Okay, so you get tan theta equal to tan 225 degree. Okay, you can convert these two angles in radian and you can write your answer. Next is this cos square theta plus sine theta equal to 1 by 4. So this cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta plus sine theta equal to 1 by 4. You get a quadratic equation, okay, in sine theta, and you do the middle term factorization and you get this. Okay, so here you get 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0, 2 sine theta minus 3 equal to 0. So from here you get this minus half. Okay, and from here you get 3 by 2, that is 1.5, which is greater than 1. And you know that sine value will be in the interval -1, in close interval -1 and 1. Okay, so this is not possible. Okay, so this is rejected. So now we are left with sine theta equal to -half. Here theta has to be somewhere in between 0 and 2 pi. That means I will get two values of theta, and here you can see that sine theta is coming negative. That means this theta has to be in third and fourth quadrant. Okay, because sine is negative in third and fourth quadrant. Okay, so firstly this sine theta equal to -half means sine theta equal to minus sine 30, because sine 30 is half. Now this minus sine 30 can be written as this: sine 2 times 90 plus 30. 2 is even, so sine is sine only. Okay, and this whole angle is in the third quadrant, that's why minus sign is there. Okay, so minus sine 30 is nothing but sine 2 times 90 plus 30. Okay, then you get sine 210, that means theta equal to 210 degree. Okay, 210 degree. And for the fourth quadrant, sine theta equal to minus half means sine theta equal to minus 30. Okay, and this minus 30 for we can write in this manner. Okay, sine 4 into 90 minus 30 degree. Okay, here 4 is even, so this sine is sine only. Okay, whole angle is in the fourth quadrant, that's why minus sine is there. So minus sine 30 is this only. Okay, then we get sine 330, that means theta equal to 330. You can convert these angles in radian and you will get your answer. Tan theta equal to 2 times sine theta. So bring this on left, and tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta, and sine theta common, so you get this. So you get sine theta equal to 0, 1 upon cos theta minus 2 equal to 0. So sine theta equal to 0, and here we get cos theta equal to half. So since theta has to be from 0 to 2 pi, that means I should get two values of theta, and here it is positive value, that means theta will be in the first and second quadrant. Okay, so theta is first and second quadrant for this one. Okay, so sine theta equal to 0, that means sine theta equal to sine 0, so theta is 0. So in the first quadrant theta is 0. For the second quadrant, sine theta equal to sine 0, this sine 0 can be written when we are trying to write this in when we are looking for theta in second quadrant. So this sine 0 can be written as sine 2 times 90 plus 0. Okay, or you could have written minus 0 also. Okay, so then you get sine 180. Okay, so theta equal to 180, that means pi. And for second, cos theta equal to half. So here we are getting cos to be positive. Okay, so this theta will be in the first and the fourth, because cos is positive in first and fourth. Okay, so theta is in first and fourth. So let us try to find out. So cos theta half means cos theta can be written cos 60. Okay, now theta equal to 60, that means pi by 3 for the first quadrant. And now we have to look for angle in fourth quadrant. Okay, so this cos 60 can be written as cos 4 into 90 minus 60. Okay, because here 4 is even, so this cos is cos only. Clear? And this whole angle lies in the fourth, and in fourth cos is positive, so it's positive only. So this cos 60 can be written this. Okay, so you get cos 300, so that means theta equal to 300. Okay, so you get this. Write them in radian, you get your answer. 3 times in bracket cosec square theta plus cot square theta equal to 5. This cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Open the bracket and you will get cot square theta equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so you get cot theta equal to 1 by root 3 or cot theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so firstly we'll consider this. Okay, here we are getting cot theta positive, that means cot is, this theta is in the first or in third quadrant. Okay, so we know that cot theta 1 by root 3 implies cot theta equal to cot 60 degree. Okay, so for the first quadrant we got theta to be 60, pi by 3, and for the third, cot theta equal to cot 60, this can be written in this manner. Okay, because here 2 is even, so cot will remain cot only. Whole thing, whole angle lies in third quadrant, and in third cot is positive, so it's positive. So that means cos 60 can be written this way. Okay, so you get cot 240, that means 4 pi upon 3. Now we come to this cot theta equal to minus 1 upon root 3. So here we are getting cot theta negative. Okay, that means this theta is in second and fourth quadrant, because cot is negative in only in second and fourth quadrant. So cot theta equal to minus, for 1 upon root 3 we can write cos 60 degree. Okay, and our theta has to be in the second quadrant. Okay, So we can write this minus cot 60 as this, cot 2 into 90 minus 60. Clearly 2 is even, so cot is cot only, okay. And here whole angle lies in the second, so negative, that's why this minus cot 60 can be written this way, okay. So cot 120, so theta equal to 120 in the second quadrant, okay. And cot theta equal to minus cot 60, now we are looking for in the fourth quadrant. So this can be written as 4 into 90 minus 60. 4 is even, so cot is cot only, but whole angle lies in the fourth, and in fourth cot is negative, so this is minus, okay. So you get cot 300 degree. So theta equal to this. Done. Next is question number 13. If ABC be the angles of a triangle, prove that. So ABC are angles of triangle, that means A plus B plus C equal to 180, okay. So this B plus C can be written as 180 minus A, C plus A can be written what 180 minus B, this can be 180 minus C, okay. And this pi means 2 into 90, 3 pi means 3 into 2, 3 into 2 into 90, so it will become 6 into 90. And 5 pi, that means 5 into 2 into 90, okay. So rest you know. So let's see the numerator. So this can be written as 290, 2 into 90 minus 8, that means it will become sine A. This will become sine B, this will become sine C, this will become minus sine A, because 2 is even, so sine only, but whole angle lies in the third quadrant, and in third sine is negative, so minus. Here we are getting 6 into 90 plus B, okay. 6 is even, so sine is there, but the whole angle lies in which quadrant we don't know, okay. So here you can see that this is 6 more than 4. Here 90, 180, then this is 270, then 360, okay. So 190, then 2 into 90, then 3 into 90, then 4 into 90, okay. But here it is 6 into 90, that means 5 into 90, then 6 into 90, and then it has entered into third quadrant, okay. But since suppose you have got here in place of 6 you have got 15, 16, so all the time you are not going to do this, yes. So the best way is 6 into 90 is there, so you divide this 6 by 4, okay. So when you divide this 6 by 4 you get 1, 2 by 3, that means one complete rotation has been done, okay. That means 190, 290, 390, 490, so one complete rotation has been done. And then sorry, here it is 4, okay, it is 4, and then 2 more quadrant has been crossed, okay, first and second, and then it has entered to the third quadrant. So in third sign is negative, that's why minus sign. Here it is 10 into 90 plus C, so divide 10 by 4, so you get 2 by 4, that means 2 complete rotation has been done, and then it has crossed 2 more quadrants out of 4, okay, and then it has reached to the third quadrant, okay. So this whole angle lies in the third quadrant, and in third this sign is negative, so you get minus sine C, okay, and then you get this, okay. Next is question number 14. If ABCD be the angles of a quadrilateral, then prove that sine A plus sine B plus C plus D equal to 0. So here ABCD are angles of quadrilateral, that means sum of all these angles will be 360. So here we can write left hand side sine A this. For BCD we can write 360 minus A, and then you can proceed on, okay. These two I have left for you. Here we have got tan half BD plus tan half A plus C. So this BD means we can write 360 minus A plus C, okay, that means 180 minus half A plus C, and then this can be written as 2 into 90. 2 is even, so tan remains tan, okay, but the whole angle lies in in the second quadrant, so it's negative, and you get this. Okay. Next is question number 15. A, B, C, D be the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Then prove that. Cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral whose vertices are on a circle. Okay. So in that case, opposite angles are supplementary. Okay. And this angle A and this angle is equal. So here we have got cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D equal to 0 we have to show. So cos A, okay, so this is angle A, and we know that opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, so we can write, in place of cos A we can write cos 180 minus C. For cos B we can write cos 180 minus D. Okay, and then we can write like this: cos 2 into 90 minus C plus cos 2 into 90 minus D plus cos C plus cos D. Then 2 is even, so it's cos only, but the whole angle lies in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is negative, so minus. Same goes for this, and then you add them, you get 0. Okay. Now we come to question number 16. Find the value of this. Okay. So here we have got sine n pi plus, in bracket, -1 to the whole power n into pi by 6. So here n is integer and n can be even or odd. Okay. So let us take the first case. N is even. Then n can be written 2 times k. K is an integer. Then in place of n we can write 2k. Okay. So we get this. Clear? Now 2k pi plus pi by 6. So we know that sine 2n pi plus theta is sine theta. So this becomes sine pi by 6. That means half. Next case is n can be odd. So if n is odd, that means n can be written in this form, 2k plus 1. Okay. So in place of n we'll write 2k plus 1. So when we'll put this, you open the bracket and you get this. Okay. So 2k pi plus 5 pi upon 6. And you know that sine 2n pi plus theta is sine theta. So you get sine 5 pi upon 6. Okay. And this can be written as sine 150. That means sine 180 minus 30. Sine 290 minus 30. So sine 30 half. Okay. So sine n pi plus, in bracket, -1 to the power n pi by 6 is equal to half, no matter n is odd or even. Okay. This is homework for you. You have to do same way. Okay. 2 cases are there. N is odd or even. Question number 17. If tan 35 degree is equal to x, then prove that this. Then prove this. So we will take the left hand side. So tan 145 minus tan 125 upon 1 plus tan 145 into tan 125. So this 145 can be written as 180 minus 35. This 125 we can write 90 plus 35. Okay. And rest, this tan 180 can be written 2 into 90 minus 35, and then you know that odd and even, this, that. Okay. You simplify, so you'll get minus tan 35 minus, in bracket, minus cot 35. Down you get 1 plus minus tan 35 into minus cot 35 degree. You know the value of tan 35, so you know the value of cot 35 also. So minus x plus 1 upon x, and here you get this tan 35 and this cot 35 cancels, and minus minus plus, so we get this. Simplify, you get this right hand side. Okay. Please do this. This is your homework. Okay. So this is all, and this is how your chapter 5 also gets over.